Hi, Jaylee. Hi. Don't show your face. Okay. Can you show your face? No, it's okay. It's an accident. Okay. It's an accident if you show your face. Oh. Did I accidentally show my face? No. You didn't. See. You didn't even show your face. They just see your hair. It's okay. No, don't show your face. Do Anna. Look, I'm going to sit there. I'm going to sit there. Right, Elsa? Yeah. Oh, another bee that I need to legal. Oh, who's this? Dude, that's Adrian. That's Adrian. 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 Yeah. That is Oh, I'm gonna make your head. 1, 2, 3, your hair. I did the hand. Hand? Okay. The hands. I'll make your hands. Okay, Adrian? Oh, your little hands, your little hands. Now your cute little other hand. Dude, it's so tiny. It's so tiny. Ow. Sorry, Adrian. It's okay. So I need to wash something else. Oh, sorry, Bee. That I should be with it. Oh my goodness. I should be eat. You want me to eat the beet? No. I just say eat the beet for me. No? You can't eat beets, right, Elsa? Yeah, he's not supposed to. That's just on your little brother. Squash. Just see if I can find any. There's some pom-poms. Here. Oh, I found one. Let me put some little dots. Oh, who's that with yellow hair? That's my sister. She doesn't like meeting new people. Oh, he doesn't even like saying hi to people. Elsa, tell Snowflake that is going to be very quick. She doesn't like it. Can do her. I don't want to say hi to anybody. She's not saying too. Not that girl too. She's the one has purple hair. The one that has purple hair. I don't want anybody to say hi. Oh. Jaylee dolls, can I have a sleepover at Jaylee? Yeah. Yay. Let me try to make it like a tower. Oh, I made the Eiffel Tower. I see. Ooh. Whoa. What's this? Whee! Snowflake. I'm gonna try that again. Whee! No snowflake. Okay. Let's touch the water first. Tiny flounder. Oh. So let's start it over. See, I want to be that girl's friend. No, I don't want to do that. Okay. Oh, yeah, look. Ooh. See, on the side after. No, like put some water in your hand. Oh, like that? And then do this? Yeah. And then it's going to come in your hand down. See? Oh. Oh, none good and come. Let me put some more. Yeah. Oh, I have some. Oh, me too. And my pinky. But let's go play now. Ooh, a pom-pom. A blue pom-pom. Your favorite color. Yeah. My favorite color, yellow. And this one. Oh, I will get all the pom-poms in my side. Ooh. Her sister here. And her auntie. Wait, this can be her big sister. Oh, my plushie. Here's her big sister. It's her birthday today. And she loves Tiana. Here's her Kurachan sister. The black sister. Jamie, who's that girl right there? Oh, my sister. Oh. This one? Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's my sister. Do the hi, big sis. Hi, big sis. Hi. This is a big sis with a beautiful dress. Hey, look, my feet. Look at my feet. Try your feet. Just dip some water. Do the wall. Pretend she's looking at her dress. Do the auntie. Do the big sister. Big sister. Do the I like. Do the your dress. Your dress. Do the I really want to have it. Do the not yet. Not yet. Do the 1 year older like me. 1 year older like me. Oh yeah, look. Just step and then. You wanna try? Just dip some water on me. Yeah, and your feet. Oh, how about all of me? Yeah. And you. Yeah. What's your hair? Yeah, I know. I'm just doing my body. Wee. My turn to do my feet on me. My said I'm allergic to sand. Right, Mom? Yeah. No, if she's allergic to sand, she will get sick. But she can step on sand only. She cannot play? Yeah. Oh. But I'm not just allergic to sand. Then she can only just do her feet. No, I was just allergic to big things. Oh. Let me dip my feet. My big feet. Let's just put some more. Whoa, wet sand. Which one do you like? Chelsea's or Fat Alcia and Anya? Chelsea's. What do you guys like? Yeah, Chelsea's. Fat Anya and Alcia. Yeah, but we're pretending they're not fat. See, look at Alcia's body. Look at her body. It's payat. Yeah. Like the Anya and Alcia that we got from the Philippines. Yeah. Alcia's allergic to big things, right? Yeah. She's allergic to everything, like the big things, everything. Is this a big thing? No. Oh, small? She's not allergic to goat.